Most guys think getting a girl's attention is about looks, but 90% of it is something completely different. Stick around and I'll show you 50 ways to do it right. 1. Work on your posture. Most guys don't realize how much posture matters. Stand tall, shoulders back. It instantly makes you look more confident. Confidence is magnetic, and people notice it before they notice your face. Good posture isn't just for looks. It changes how you feel about yourself too. 2. Groom yourself properly. Clean hair, trim nails, and a fresh scent go a long way. You don't need to be a model, just look put together. Women notice when you care about your appearance, even in small ways. It shows self-respect, which is attractive. 3. Wear clothes that fit you. You don't need expensive clothes, just ones that fit your body well. Baggy clothes can make you look sloppy, and overly tight clothes can look try-hard. A simple t-shirt and jeans combo can look amazing if it fits right. This one small change can make you stand out immediately. 4. Smile more. A genuine smile is one of the easiest ways to grab attention. It makes you seem approachable and friendly without saying a word. People naturally gravitate toward those who look happy. Practice smiling in everyday interactions so it feels natural. 5. Make eye contact. Not in a creepy staring contest way, just enough to show you're present. Eye contact shows confidence and that you're listening. Most guys avoid it out of shyness, which makes this tip an easy win. Hold eye contact for a second longer than usual and then smile. It's powerful. 6. Develop a signature scent. Pick a cologne or even just a good deodorant that smells great. Scent is strongly tied to memory, and she associates you with that smell. Don't overdo it, just a couple sprays is enough. Subtlety is key. You want her to notice, not get knocked out. 7. Stay off your phone in social settings. Nothing makes you invisible faster than staring at a screen. Being fully present makes you stand out because most people aren't. When you put the phone away, you look approachable and interesting. Plus, you'll naturally pick up on opportunities to talk to her. 8. Be playful with friends. Women notice how you act around others. If you're laughing, joking, and having fun, you become magnetic without even talking to her. It shows you're socially confident. The energy you put out will draw her in naturally. 9. Show genuine interest in people. Listen more than you talk and ask thoughtful questions. People can feel when you're genuinely curious about them. When you do this, you stand out because most guys are just waiting to talk about themselves. This works with everyone, not just the girl you like. 10. Improve your body language. Keep your arms uncrossed, move with purpose, and avoid fidgeting. Open body language signals confidence and comfort. It's not about posing, just being relaxed and natural. When you look calm, people feel calm around you, and that makes you memorable. 11. Learn how to tell a good story. A well-told story can grab everyone's attention, including hers. Practice taking everyday moments and turning them into fun, short stories. Keep it light with a little humor if possible. A guy who can make people laugh or lean in to listen stands out immediately. 12. Keep your energy up. Low energy makes you blend into the background. You don't need to be hyper, just a little more animated than usual. Speak with life in your voice, move with purpose, and act like you actually enjoy being there. That vibe makes people curious about you. 13. Get good at small talk. Most guys hate small talk, but it's a powerful way to get noticed. Simple questions like, "How's your day going?" can lead to deeper conversations later. The key is to seem relaxed and genuinely interested. Small talk is how you warm up the room and make yourself approachable. 14. Learn a skill people notice. This could be anything: playing guitar, drawing, cooking, even solving a Rubik's Cube fast. When you casually show a cool skill, it becomes a conversation starter. People remember you for what you do, not just what you say. Pick something fun and practice it. 15. Speak clearly and confidently. Mumbling makes people tune you out. Speak at a normal volume with clear words and a steady pace. When you sound sure of yourself, others automatically take you more seriously. Even saying something simple can have weight if you deliver it well. 16. Be the first to say hi. Don't wait for her to notice you, break the ice. A simple, "Hey, what's up?" can start everything. Most people are waiting for someone else to make the first move, so you instantly become memorable. Confidence is attractive, even in small moments like this. 17. Use humor naturally. You don't have to be a stand-up comedian. Just look for light moments and react with a smile or a witty comment. Shared laughter is one of the fastest ways to build connection. Keep it playful, not mean. Teasing too hard can push people away. 18. Show passion for something. Talk about something you genuinely care about, whether it's music, sports, or your dog. Passion is contagious and makes you more interesting to listen to. People are drawn to someone who lights up when they talk. Just make sure you don't dominate the whole conversation. 19. Be consistent with your appearance. This doesn't mean wear the same outfit every day, but find a style that feels like you and stick to it. Consistency makes you recognizable, which is key to being remembered. Think of it like a personal brand. When she sees you, she should think, "Oh yeah, that guy always looks put together." It builds familiarity over time. 20. Use your hands when you talk. Gestures make your communication more engaging. People pay more attention when your hands match what you're saying. Just don't go overboard, keep it natural. A little movement shows energy and makes you seem more confident. 21. Compliment thoughtfully. Compliments work best when they're specific and genuine. Instead of generic lines like, "You look nice," comment on something unique about her, like her laugh or her style. Overdoing compliments can feel fake, so keep it subtle. When done right, it makes you memorable without being overbearing. 22. Show social proof. Women notice how others react to you. If your friends respect you or people enjoy your company, it sends a strong signal. You don't need to brag, just let your natural social interactions shine. Being liked by others makes you instantly more attractive. 23. Be kind to everyone. It's easy to be charming to one person, but kindness across the board stands out. Treat waiters, strangers, and friends well. She notice. Being genuinely kind signals maturity and confidence. People are naturally drawn to those who make the world around them better. 24. Use light touches. A light, casual touch on the arm or shoulder, in a natural, respectful way, can create connection. Don't force it. Wait for the right moment, like laughing together. Physical contact helps people feel closer, even without saying a word. It's subtle but extremely effective when done correctly. 25. Be mysterious. You don't have to reveal everything about yourself at once. Leaving a little mystery sparks curiosity and keeps her thinking about you. Avoid oversharing personal details too early. This makes her want to learn more naturally, keeping her attention on you longer. 26. Have a confident walk. How you move is noticed more than you realize. Walk with purpose and keep your head up. A confident stride signals self-assurance and attracts attention. People notice someone who owns their space without trying too hard. 27. Be playful in text. Texting isn't just about talking, it's about creating chemistry. Use light teasing, emojis, or funny observations to make her smile. Don't overthink it. Just be casual and fun. A playful text can stand out far more than a long, serious one. 28. Share funny stories about yourself. Self-deprecating humor is surprisingly attractive if done right. Sharing small, embarrassing moments shows humility and relatability. Avoid overdoing it or putting yourself down too much. When she laughs with you, it builds connection and makes you memorable. 29. Maintain good hygiene. This goes beyond grooming. Shower regularly, wear deodorant, and keep your breath fresh. Smelling good is noticed immediately and subconsciously affects attraction. It's one of the easiest ways to make a positive impression. People remember someone who smells pleasant without even realizing why. 30. Be passionate about your goals. Talk about what drives you, whether it's your career, hobbies, or personal growth. Ambition and purpose are incredibly attractive traits. People are drawn to those who have direction and excitement in life. Showing that you care about your future makes you stand out naturally. 31. Laugh at yourself sometimes. You don't always have to be serious or perfect. Showing that you can laugh at your own mistakes makes you relatable and approachable. It shows confidence without arrogance. People naturally enjoy being around someone who doesn't take themselves too seriously. 32. Remember her name. Using her name in conversation shows attentiveness and respect. Most people forget names quickly, so remembering it makes you stand out. It creates a small personal connection that can be surprisingly powerful. It signals that you genuinely care about the interaction. 33. Be supportive of her interests. Even if you're not into the same hobbies, showing genuine curiosity goes a long way. Ask questions and engage with her passions. People feel valued when others support what they care about. This builds trust and makes you more memorable. 34. Master the art of teasing. Playful teasing can create chemistry if done lightly. Avoid personal attacks or overly sensitive topics. Keep it fun and witty, showing your confidence and sense of humor. Teasing is a subtle way to create tension and connection. 35. Stand out with a small gesture. It could be holding the door, helping carry something, or just offering a smile. Small, thoughtful gestures are noticed subconsciously. They show attentiveness without being over the top. Consistent small actions make people associate you with kindness and reliability. 36. Be calm under pressure. Whether it's a crowded room or an unexpected situation, staying composed is attractive. People notice those who don't panic or overreact. It signals emotional stability and confidence. Calm energy is magnetic because it makes others feel safe around you. 37. Share interesting facts or stories. Bring up unusual, fun, or fascinating tidbits in conversation. It sparks curiosity and gives her a reason to remember you. You don't need to be an encyclopedia, just a few well-chosen facts or stories. Being interesting keeps the conversation alive and engaging. 38. Use subtle compliments about her personality. Instead of focusing solely on looks, comment on traits like her humor, intelligence, or kindness. These compliments feel deeper and more meaningful. People are drawn to those who see beyond surface-level appearances. It makes your attention feel thoughtful and genuine. 39. Be approachable in groups. Even in social settings, make yourself available and easy to talk to. Don't isolate yourself or dominate the conversation. People naturally notice those who are friendly, relaxed, and easy to engage with. Being approachable makes it easier for her to gravitate toward you. 40. Keep improving yourself. Whether it's learning a new skill, working out, or reading more, personal growth is attractive. When you invest in yourself, it shows confidence and ambition. People notice someone striving to be better rather than staying stagnant. Self-improvement is subtle, but one of the strongest ways to stand out. 41. Be spontaneous sometimes. Routine can make life predictable, so show a bit of spontaneity. Suggest a fun, unexpected activity or joke about doing something random. People are drawn to those who bring energy and excitement. Being spontaneous makes you more memorable and fun to be around. 42. Stay positive. Negativity is a turn-off, so focus on the good side of things. Complaining or constantly criticizing can push people away. A positive mindset makes you approachable and enjoyable to be around. Optimism naturally draws attention and makes others want to spend time with you. 43. Respect her space. Confidence doesn't mean crowding someone or being clingy. Respect boundaries and let her come to you at her own pace. People notice when someone is patient and considerate. This balance shows maturity and makes you more attractive in the long run. 44. Be a good listener. Really listen, don't just wait to speak. Acknowledging what she says and responding thoughtfully shows you care. Active listening is rare, so it makes you stand out immediately. When someone feels heard, they naturally feel closer to you. 45. Be confident in silence. You don't always need to fill the space with words. Comfortable silence shows inner confidence and maturity. People notice when someone can just be without needing constant validation. This creates a sense of calm and draws attention in subtle ways. 46. Share your experiences, not just opinions. Talk about things you've done or learned rather than just what you think. Stories of experiences are more engaging and relatable. People remember moments and journeys more than abstract opinions. This helps build a stronger connection and keeps the conversation interesting. 47. Show emotional intelligence. Be aware of her feelings and the mood of the room. Respond appropriately and avoid being insensitive. People notice when someone can navigate emotions well. Emotional intelligence signals maturity and makes you stand out naturally. 48. Be curious about the world. Show that you have interests outside of yourself. Mention books, movies, or places you'd like to visit. Curiosity makes you interesting and shows depth. People are drawn to those who are genuinely intrigued by life. 49. Make eye-catching gestures in group settings. Subtle actions like leaning in, nodding, or laughing at the right moment can draw attention. It shows engagement without being overbearing. People naturally notice those who actively participate and add energy to the room. This helps you stand out effortlessly. 50. Be yourself consistently. All the tips work best when you stay true to who you are. Pretending to be someone else may grab attention temporarily, but it's exhausting and unsustainable. Authenticity is magnetic because people can sense when someone is genuine. When you're comfortable being yourself, others are drawn to you naturally. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, check the description for more resources and guides. Don't forget to like, comment your favorite tip, and subscribe for more dating advice. Try a few of these today and see the difference tomorrow.